welcome. Today I'm going to share with you another special recipe, this time a recipe taken from my book All Things Milk Tea. If you have a copy of my book, it is on page 234, Caramel Chocolate Frappe. So we're going to make two sizes for this drink, 16 ounces and 22 ounces. Let's take a look at the recipes first. So we are going to use unsweetened dark chocolate, any brand will do. It's better to use unsweetened. If you're using Milo or sweetened chocolate, the recipe will have to change a little bit. And we are going to use Frappe base because this is going to be a blended drink. We are going to use caramel sauce. I'm using Torani caramel sauce here. You can use any brand. And as usual, we are going to use my combination of sweetened condensed milk and evaporated milk. I am also going to tell you the proportion if you do not pre-mix your condensed and evaporated milk. So here I'm using carnation, condensed milk, and evaporated milk. And then at the end of this, I'm going to top up my drinks with some brownies for one of them, and the other is Oreos. Let's start with the 16 ounces. For this, we need 2 ounces of hot water to dissolve the chocolate powder, 2 level tablespoons of chocolate powder, 2 ounces of milk syrup, and 15 milliliters of our caramel sauce. That's 2 pumps, 15 milliliters of caramel sauce. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Frappe base. And once again stir. You don't have to mix it completely, and put your ice into your blender. Pour the mix over. So good, the smell, and blend. Caramel chocolate frappe, 16 ounces. Now let's make our 22 ounces cups. For 22 ounces cups, I'm going to use my same measuring cup here. And for this, once again, I am going to use 2 ounces of hot water. I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of dark chocolate powder. 2, 3. Stir to combine, make sure it is somewhat dissolved. It doesn't have to be completely dissolved because we are going to blend it again later. And then you can add your Frappe base, 1 tablespoon. Add the 60 ml of milk syrup. The same amount of milk syrup with the 16 ounces. Okay, let's just scrape everything there. This time we are going to add more caramel syrup. So I'm going to add 1 ounce, so that's 4 pumps, 2, 3, 4 pumps of caramel sauce. Ice into the blender and our chocolate mix. caramel chocolate 22 ounces and caramel chocolate 16 ounces. 2 delicious blended drinks. Well, there you go, very easy to prepare. Caramel dark chocolate. You can see how dark they are. If you would like it to be a bit more milky, you can replace the hot water which we use to dissolve the chocolate powder with milk, and that will be a bit more milky, but I like this because the taste of the chocolate really comes out. Moment of truth, let's give it a try. Very, very chocolatey and caramelly. The taste of caramel and chocolate, perfect. This is very, very strong caramel because we put 1 ounce, but it's just perfectly delicious. Not very sweet at all. And now for our 16 ounces, it should be similar, but probably less caramelly. Delicious. You should give this a try. Very easy for those that are wanting to offer some blended chocolate drinks. This is a budget version of a normal blended chocolate. Well, there you go. Very easy to make, very delicious drinks. If you would like to change caramel to something else like hazelnut or vanilla, that's possible, including strawberry or even blueberry. So try these recipes at home. Simple, quick, and easy to find the ingredients. Well, don't forget to get a copy of my book, All Things Milk Tea. Check the description box below for details on how to order. In the meantime, stay safe, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.